What you need to know about in-floor systems for pool cleaning. I have an in-ground pop-up cleaning system. I've recently lost pressure on my pump, and I believe it's because all my zones pop up at the same time. Where's the best place to start correcting this?
Well, if all the zones are popping up at the same time, there's something in the valve assembly is wrong. And depending on which system you have, it depends on how mechanically or electrically how those zones shift. I think the best place to start would be look at some point in your equipment system, you're going to have a valve looking thing that has a bunch of ports, and there's water, there's like 6 ports probably, it could be even 8, and then a center port or one that comes in from the side. And what I would do is I would look at that. Some of them have simply a gear system that spins and mechanically turns. You could take that apart. Other of them are electrical and they shift from zone to zone. But unless something catastrophically failed in any one of those systems, it makes no sense that the water would go to all of them at the same time unless the guts of the unit were removed. There's a housing that everything is plumbed up into, and then each of them has a different set of guts that go in there. Some is, like I said, is just mechanical gears that spin and they turn with the turbine. Some of them, it's again all electrical timed and it's shifted. But if that center unit is gone, well then all those pipes are open. That makes sense. But short of that, it doesn't make sense that all of the zones would work at the same time at all unless something catastrophically happened inside one of those valves.
Or, I guess, if they all failed at the same time, whether debris or something got in there. Okay, so you have a storm and all of your landscaping debris ends up in the pool, the heads pop up, debris floats by, gets stuck, they all get stuck open. I mean, it could look then like they're all open when they're really not, but I would go with Al's version first.
That certainly, each of the jets could need to be cleaned, and maybe they're all they're stuck open, but they're not operational. I guess maybe unless you went from zone to left it running and went down and felt if there's water coming out of each of them or not.
Or if you have a scale issue, that could have also
scaled up all of it, gummed up all your fittings
to get gummy, right, and not work properly. So several things you can investigate there. Good luck with that one.